Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is worksheet and copy work of textbook lesson 14. In this lesson I will also explain lesson 9 of Iqra English grammar book. So let's start. Myth of why the sea is salty. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. The elder brother was rich, the forest was dark and gloomy, the younger brother's family was starving for the past 2 days. Demon has magical millstone. Demon offered gold, silver and diamond to young brother. The elder brother was selfish and arrogant. The young brother was kind-hearted and generous. The demon was delighted to see the hoof. He put the millstone in a boat. The wife went inside the kitchen and brought the goat's hoof. Mark T for true and F for false statement. Elder brother gave rice to younger brother. False. The demon was delighted to see the hoof. True. The magic millstone gave only salt. False. Fishermen were catching fishes and putting them in sugar. False. Elder brother forgot how to stop the millstone. True. Question number 3. Choose the correct option. The younger brother was kind-hearted and generous. Second, the forest was dark and gloomy. Third, the demon was sitting right at the mouth of the cave. Fourth, the demon wanted the hoof as it was magical. Fifth, the greedy brother was drowned. Match the columns. Column A, column B and column C. You will match the suitable words for column A and then rewrite it in column C. Elder brother, rich and selfish. Younger brother, poor and kind-hearted. Millstone, flat stone used to crush grain. Hoof, feet of animals. Demon had magical millstone. Generous, noble in character. Demons, an evil spirit. Scrumptious, delicious. Heaps, a lot of. Bottom, the lowest part. So this is copy work. Prepare the chapter index. Words meaning millstone, चक्की का पत्थर, generous, सखी, हौफ, खुर, pouring, बहना, demon, देव या शैतान, scrumptious, मज़ेदार, road, कतार में लगी हुई, heaps, ढेर, grinding, पीसना, bottom, तह, cave, गार. Word sentences. First one is millstone. He snatched the millstone from younger brother. Second, generous. She has always been very generous towards the poor. Hoof. The noise of the hoofs was heard from the gateway. Pouring. Blood was pouring from the wound means zakhmi. Demons. She works like a demon. So come to question answers. Question number 1. Who are the main characters of the story? Elder brother, younger brother and the demon are the main character of the story. Second, why younger brother went to elder brother's home? Younger brother went to elder brother's home to bring something to eat because younger brother and his wife were starving for past 2 days. Third, which instruction demon gave to younger brother about millstone? Demon instructed that make a wish and then say, grind my millstone. And when you want to stop millstone, say, enough, the work is done. Fourth, where was demon sitting? The demon was sitting right at the mouth of the cave, Ghar. What did the elder brother do with millstone? He snatched the millstone from younger brother and ran to the beach. He put the millstone in a boat and rowed out to the sea. So this is our next topic in Iqra English grammar book. Future perfect continuous tense. The future students, future means mustaqbil, perfect mukammal, continuous means jari and tense means zamana. So the English definition will be the future perfect continuous tense is used. ये tense तब use होता है to talk about an action, उस काम के बारे में which will start, जो कि शुरू होता है, continue फिर जारी रहता है and end और ख़त्म हो जाता है इन द फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर में ही, जो कि फ्यूचर में एक मुकर्ररा वक्त से शुरू होता है फिर फ्यूचर में ही जारी रहता है और फ्यूचर में ही ख़त्म हो जाता है. We use shall have been plus present participle with I and we. I और we के साथ we use shall have been. We use will have been plus present participle means first form of verb plus ing with you, he, she, it. They, singular and plural noun. Students, one thing to be noted that time duration का इसमें लाजमी ज़िक्र होगा. उर्दू में इसकी पहचान ये होगी कि इसके आखिर में वक्त का ज़िक्र और रहा होगा, रही होगी, आएगा. So the structure of affirmative sentence: subject plus auxiliary verb shall plus have been. Noted that been is the third form of be plus verb, first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. Students, since or for are the prepositions which is used for with time or duration. Students, since is a preposition which is used with exact naming of time, date, day, etc., while for is used with the measurement of time and time words plus time duration plus full stop. While in negative sentence the structure will be the same, but we just add not after the auxiliary verb shall. Interrogative sentence, the structure will be the same just like affirmative sentence, but we will write the auxiliary shall or will in the beginning of the sentence, like shall plus I, we, he, she, it, you, they, etc. plus have been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time duration plus question mark. Putting of question mark is very necessary. Come to exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of verb to make future perfect continuous tense. Shani will have been blaming others for his mistakes for whole life. As we know that we will use shall or shall for I and we, and we will use will for other nouns and pronoun except I and we. I shall have been writing some articles in Daily Junk since January 18th. They will have been sharing their work till the end of the month. Sana and Ali will have been reciting the verses for hours. My elder brother will have been coaching me for the exam since March. So here we differentiate about the uses of for and since. That since is used for the name of month, while for is for measurements like hours. Change the following sentences into negative. The student will have been writing essays since next Monday. The students will not have been writing essays since next morning. Since next Monday. I shall have been preparing for my test for a week. I shall not have been preparing for my test for a week. You will have been working in the kitchen for 3 hours. You will not have been working in the kitchen for 3 hours. We shall have been supervising the program since 3rd November. We shall not have been supervising the program since 3rd November. They will have been using our books for 2 months. They will not have been using our books for 2 months. Exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. Number 1. The teacher will have been checking the copies since lunch break. Will the teacher have been checking the copies since lunch break? Put question mark. Host Mars will have been giving wonderful replies since midnight. Will host Mars have been giving wonderful replies since midnight? Put question mark. You will have been excusing for your mistakes forever. Will you have been excusing for your mistakes forever? Put question mark. They will have been reading new stories since childhood. Will they have been reading new stories since childhood? Put question mark. We shall have been memorizing the Holy Quran for many years. Shall we have been memorizing the Holy Quran for many years? Put question mark. Exercise D. Translate the following sentences into English. वो हमेशा सच नहीं बोलता रहेगा. He will not have been always speaking the truth. क्या अब्बू हमारे लिए सारी ज़िंदगी मेहनत करते रहेंगे? Will father have been working hard for us for whole life? बेवकूफ़ लड़के अपने पैसे ज़ाया करते रहेंगे. Foolish boys will have been wasting their money. वो 1 महीने से ईद की ख़रीदारी कर रही होगी. She will have been shopping for Eid for 1 month. नमक हमेशा हमारे खानों का जायका बढ़ाता रहेगा. Salt will have been adding taste to our meals forever. Forever means हमेशा. Forever means हमेशा. So memorize this work.